Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video. NYX just launched a brand new collection and it is called Machinist. It's so steampunk inspired and I love it so much. And there are so many cool pieces in this collection. I'm obsessed with the eyeshadows, but I did want to create a look from the Grind collection within the collection. So I created this look, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, see the pieces in this collection, then keep on watching. Before I begin, I just want to show you a little bit more about this collection. There's 3 different kind of looks within this collection, and the one that I wanted to play with today is the Grind collection, and this is going to be more of your warm tones. So this comes with a eyeshadow palette, it comes with a duo highlighter, lacquer lipstick, which is the one I'm wearing, and then it comes with a metallic lipstick. So I wanted to play with as much as I could from this little collection, and I just love this eyeshadow palette. I love it so much. So this is what it looks like. This is the Grind eyeshadow palette, and these colors in here are just, they speak to me. I love these colors and the pigmentation. I didn't experience any fallout when I used these shadows, and I don't know, you'll see in this video, they're so pigmented. I love this palette. This is the duo highlighter, and it has a gold side and a really pretty kind of bronzy orange side. I think this works well with anyone who is medium all the way to a deep, darker, richer complexion. I think this highlight would look amazing on those deeper skin tones. This duo is really pretty, and you can also use it like as an eyeshadow because they are so pigmented, and you can pack it on your lip if you want kind of like a shimmery, kind of metallic look on your lip. So there's so many ways that you can use this duo highlighter. This is also the Machinist Lacquer in the color Grind, which also goes with this look. And this is what I'm wearing. Super, super pigmented. It has a really cool applicator, and I just love the glossy finish. I think lacquers are so trendy and cool right now, and I love them for fall, especially this dark color. And they also came out with a lipstick, and this is in the color Grind. And this is going to be more of a kind of metallic yellow, orangey brown, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do a swatch real quick for you guys so you could see. But it's definitely more of a metallic finish. It's so pretty. I didn't use this in this look, but if you want to see more looks, which I'll probably do because I love this collection so much, I will definitely be using this lipstick. But it's so pretty by itself, or you can use it as a topper on top of another lipstick. Alright you guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with this taupey mustard yellow, and as soon as I put it on, I couldn't believe how pigmented it was. It's such a pretty unique color, and I'm just using this in my crease for a transition. Now I'm using this matte reddish brown in my crease, and this is just going to create some shape and depth to the lid, and it's also going to start to smoke out the look. I also noticed a little goes a long way with the shadow. It keeps blending and blending out, which is awesome, so use less product first. I also decided to use this eyeshadow in the inner and outer corner to start to create a halo eye. My secret weapon for any shimmery metallic eyeshadow is the glitter primer from NYX, and I'm just applying this with a flat concealer brush. I'm placing this product where I'm going to put that shimmery shadow, and I also like to use this to carve out my crease. Now I'm going to use this really unique eyeshadow in the palette. I had to use it. It has kind of a shift to it, so in different lighting it looks brown, and then it turns to a teal and a red. So I'm just placing this in the center for a halo eye. I decided not to use an eyeliner, so I'm taking this dark gray shadow, and I'm just going to smudge this right in my lash line. And I just use my finger just to kind of blend it out a little bit and give it more of that smudgy look. Now I'm going to use NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I love using this just to build up my lashes, making them thick and full, and then I just like to top them off with a pair of falsies, and these are the Heiress lashes from Cocoa Lashes. Now moving on to my complexion. I'm not going to go into too much detail with my face routine because I have plenty of videos with those, but I'm just going to quickly go through it and apply my basics when it comes to my face routine. I'm going back to finish up my eyes, and I'm using that reddish brown, and I'm just going to smudge this underneath my lower lashes just to kind of tie the look together. And I'm going back with that taupey mustard yellow, and I'm just going to use a fluffy blending brush just to blend out those edges underneath my lower lashes. I also want to smoke out my bottom lashes just like I did the top, and I'm just going to use that dark gray and kind of a flat liner brush and smudge this right into the lash line. Now I'm just topping off my lower lashes with the Worth the Hype mascara, and then the eyes are complete, and then I'm going to move on to the brows. To fill in my brows, I'm going to use the Precision Brow Pencil in the color Ash Brown from NYX, and I'm just using this to give more of a fuller look to my brows, and I'm just using the spoolie to blend the product out. I'm going to finish the rest of my complexion with a bronzer, and I'm just using this around my hairline and my temples, hollows of my cheeks, and my jawline just to give a little bit of warmth to my skin. And then I'm going in with a contour powder just to give more shape to my cheekbones. Now I'm just going in with this duo and adding a little color to my cheeks. Now I'm using this highlight that came in the collection. I'm using the gold color, and I'm just popping this on my cheekbones. It's such a gorgeous highlight, and you can also use this as a shadow because it is so pigmented. So I'm applying this to the tops of my cheeks, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Since I'm going for more of a bold look, I'm definitely going to outline my lips and define my lip shape using a lip pencil. So this is the lacquer that came in the collection. It's such a gorgeous color, especially for fall. And this lacquer actually has a really cool applicator, which is really easy to fill in your lips. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. You'll definitely be seeing more fall looks coming your way from me because fall is my favorite season. The looks, the colors, the clothes, the makeup, everything. So I will definitely be creating more looks for you guys, and probably more of looks from the Machinist Collection from NYX, and I want to dive into the other palettes that they have and create some more fun looks, so let me know if you want to see that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll list all the products I use down below, and I'll see you in the next video.